the spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Oh!
Can you hear me?
Can you all hear me?
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and Baby No Money and Young Gravy just made a song called Welcome to Chillis with Y2K, and I want to go through that with you today, but I'll also leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out as well. I will be making the Spanish part and leaving that in the description for you to check out. I'm going out tonight, so I won't have time to make that now, but check back and I will leave a version to the instrumental with the Spanish part if you're a rapper or something and you're looking to sing over this. First off, we have the trumpet. That was created on Serum. It's a sample I found online. I'll leave that in the FLP if you want to use that and create it yourself. I will be going through how to use samples in Serum in a later video, but for now I'll leave the FLP in the description. You can check it out there. When Young Gravy starts rapping, these high notes, the D sharp 7s and the C sharp 7s, go away. But apart from that, this continues throughout the entire song. Underneath that, we have a piano playing in the background. Then it comes to this percussive loop, using some bongo sounds. Then I have this, another percussive loop, introducing this pretty funky sound. Then we have this guitar that comes in. That was created on Omnisphere. It is the boomerang, not even gonna try. And I didn't do anything to it, so you can just turn it on and it'll work. Coming into the verses, we have a hi-hat loop. That's playing with a bunch of different percussive sounds. I'm not gonna go through them all in this video, but I'll play it for you. This is the percussive loop. It repeats over every 4 bars. You also had a high piano playing here, which is a sound that I found on Nexus. I used the LV Beautiful Roads and I turned off the reverb. Also, we have the 808. Really heavy 808, I created on Serum. I used a triangle to make it, so you find it under analog and basic shapes. I brought it down an octave and I put on the MG Low 12 as the filter. This does vary a little bit, but it repeats for most of the song. The only major change up in this song is at the very end. That was created using a few different instruments. The first one is the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft, which you can find on Nexus under Piano. I love this preset, you gotta use it. Okay, yeah, you get the idea. Playing with that is a guitar. That's playing on the offbeats. It's the GT Nylon Clean 1, and I turn off the reverb. Playing with that is another percussive loop. Switches up a little bit. We have a few crashes and cymbals playing. Then we have some bongos. Then we have some shakers. And the fills are made up of bongos as well. Alright, you get it. You get the idea. You understand. That's actually it for the instrumental. Not a very complicated one. As long as you get the trumpet right and the bongos right, you should be all good. Apart from that, I'll play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.